Dawa ya corona kwani ni gani?
Fagino na iri kuhanditwo gicunjini kia mugunda gia kuotaika ihithukio hingo ya mungururio wa borithi mathaini ma thaa 10 cia gukia umuthi na kuria mundurume umwe na muruwe maikirio ngono.
CBO itapanda bangi tena, hiyo dhuluma lazima itaisha.
Ni mungururio kuringana na munini wa kamanda wa borithi na ikuru ya Ithũĩro Charles Rono wambikirwo thutha wa muingi gukorwo gikunyira maabitha borithi cigie mihango iri na njiriri mucini uyu.
Anti-narcotic section. We began our investigations, and today at around 04:00 hours, we decided to visit the place with the aim of arresting the culprits, because we were sure that they were still sleeping by then.
Na thutha wa kuingira mucini uyu maabitha a borithi maumana gibarua gia kumunya mumero uyu na uria uronekana ukoretwo kirimwo kwa ihinda.
We managed to enter the residence. The first thing, we managed to arrest 3 suspects. The owner of the house, aged 44 years, his son, aged 19 years, and another boy, 19 years, who is a neighbor. After the arrests, behind the house, there was a garden about a quarter of an acre. And inside there, we were able to uproot about 506 kgs of brooms of plants that are suspected to be cannabis sativa.
Mwikuirwo munene na uria niwe mwene mucio uyu kung'owainaina niyokiriire mungururi uyu akihita kwambika cira igotini wa kuregana na guikio ngono gwake.
Tumefundiwa. Okay, this is a lot of funding, eh? This is a lot of funding. It's a waste of taxpayer money.
So mnalipa tax?
CBOs don't pay tax. Don't you know that?
Those are registered.
Yes, we are registered. I've given the documents to the officers.
Ya kupanda bangi au ya?
We are environmental and tumeruhusiwa kufanya scientific na education research. CBO itapanda bangi tena. Hiyo dhuluma lazima itaisha. Kwa sababu it's just a misunderstanding. It's quite very bad.
Nona kuri ugo mwingi ni uthingatitwo guthi na mbere na kuheana ndomereri kuri maabitha ugitiri riri mwikuirwo uyu atanyitwo gukinyo igoti-ini mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite.
I wish to thank the members of the public for cooperating, because the borders around, the neighbors, they also cooperated. They never resisted in assisting in arresting the culprits. So I also caution the children, the school-going children, against drug abuse. There are many things that you can do. There are so many businesses that you can do, and you lead a good life.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.